Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Venmo. It's very easy to do. First, open Venmo app and log into your account. Ensure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your mobile device. Navigate to Settings. Go to the Settings menu within the Venmo app. This is easily represented by a gear icon. Look for the option like payment methods or bank cards. Then choose to add a debit or credit card. Enter the details from your Vanilla Visa gift card including the card number, expiration date and CVV. Verify your card. Venmo may require you to verify the card. This often involves sending a small amount to your card and you will need to confirm the transaction to complete the verification process. After verification, check if your Vanilla Visa gift card is successfully added as a payment method. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.